Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Today I come with 25 snake plant decoration ideas or arrangement ideas. Dracena traphaceata looks great, easy to grow and maintain, and offer tons of benefits. If you like this plant, then you can grow it in many ways using these snake plant decoration ideas. In elegant white pots. The slender leaves of the plant in green and yellow colors look quite appealing in white pots. On a tall corner stand. Place multiple plants in wooden stool and a tall wooden stand. Glass bowl with the brass watering can. Keep a brass watering can handy to water the plant when it needs. Keep it on the floor by a wooden stand. Keep the snake plant on the floor in a smart looking container by a woody stand. White pots near the window. Keeping the plant by a window in white pots will add more beauty to the look. In a boxy planter. A boxy wrapped planter serves as a perfect pot to grow snake plant on a mini table. A modern living room setup. A modern living room with clocks, paintings, and a couch will look more adorable with the addition of snake plants. In a classy brown pot, the light green leaves of the pot will match perfectly with the brown colored pot. Two's company. Group two snake plants together in your living room for an eye-catching look. On a wooden table with painting. An elegant white pot will match with the contrasting wooden table and a painting on the wall. With a candle stand. Grow snake plant on a windowsill and pair a vintage candle stand with it. Near large living room windows. Keep the snake plant along with some others near a tall living room window. A tall snake plant in a corner. A tall plant fills up a corner well and adds a character to it. Living room snake plant decor. A metal pot stand and a small stool are ideal to place two snake plants in a living room. In a matching white pot. A matching pot that goes with the color of the room is perfect to grow the plant. Indoor snake plant collection. Grow multiple plants in different pots for a stylish look. Different sized plant on a table. Snake plant of different sizes in the same colored pot will look quite classy. In a bedroom corner, the air purifying snake plant is a perfect addition to bedrooms. Large potted snake plant. A large snake plant will fill up an empty space in a living room perfectly. On wooden stairs. Keep snake plants on wooden stairs in different pot sizes to add a visual appeal. Hanging delight. The contrasting foliage of the snake plant looks wonderful in hanging planter. A gorgeous centerpiece. Place it over smart looking round tables for added beauty in your rooms. With the succulents, the leaves of the plant will pair well with mini succulents in a cactus shaped box. In a rustic stone planter. Add more charm to the beauty of the snake plant by growing it in a rustic looking stone planter. In a hip hop room, plant it in cool looking pot right next to the hip hop speaker. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like the video and enjoy the content. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, then press the like button. And share this video with family, friends and relatives. And also add a comment. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.